We've revamped suggestive mode in Conversations AI. Now, reply suggestions are ready before you even open the conversation, bringing you an experience with less waiting and fewer clicks that provides more control over every message. This update brings a new layout for the suggestion experience, with an immediate response queue as customers message you and draft only suggestion that can only be sent with your approval. Let's review how to use Conversation AI suggestions to respond to customers. As soon as a contact replies, Conversations AI starts preparing a suggested response in the background. Read the suggestion, tweak the wording, or rewrite it entirely if you'd like. When the message looks good, simply send it to your customer. If a newer message arrives, the suggestion refreshes to stay relevant. This update lets you think of Conversation AI's suggestive mode as an ever-present assistant, offering instant context-sensitive recommendations while leaving every final decision in your hands. We hope you enjoy it.